Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friend, there is a breaking good news which is coming from the TCS team. Okay, so finally TCS again started sending the joining readiness survey mail, and also they started sending the joining date also. So don't worry, I will show you the proof also, and how from where you can check the joining status. I will also discuss, and who recently got the joining survey mail, and right now they are getting the joining date also. And sir, is it really mandatory to write the IP or CP exam for getting a joining date? So recently who got the joining on 8th June, he didn't write the exam. I will show you the proof also, so don't worry. So let's begin this video. So first of all, you can see on my screen, so this type of things you can check on your TCS next step portal. And I would suggest you just try to log in your Ignito mode, or else just try to clear your browser cookies and caches, then after just login, because they are trying to update the portal of everyone batches wise. So you have to keep your browser regularly on, keep up to date. Okay, so that you can get current updates, current status updates. Okay, so here you can see my screen. Okay, so this is a very huge topic. I will discuss this particular topic in my next upcoming videos, because in this, from where we are going to discuss for how the TCS join date status is changed, and how they're changing the joining criteria also. Okay, so see, 21/5, so 21st May he got the joining letter generated, and after that he got a joining date. Okay, so you can see join IP schedule the same date. Okay, within a 15 minutes he got the IP schedule, and you can see 2021, so almost 2 years he waited for the ILP schedule. Once you get ILP schedule, it's mean your joining will be soon. Okay, so this is the I will discuss next upcoming videos. Okay, so next, so see, they are asking work from home. Yes, there is a work from home opportunity for all of you guys. So there is a very good news. And June 8 Ahmedabad, anyone, I too got the same location and date of joining. Did you clear your IP or CPA? No. Okay, June at Ahmedabad, anyone joining? Yes, me. So there's a lots of students are there. If you want to join our Telegram group, the link is provided in my video description. Just go and just join there, and you can ask any question to anyone, because there's a lot of candidates are there who are still waiting for the join place, so that you can also get update. Okay, just join our Telegram group. A link is given in the video description. Okay, and you can ask questions over there also. Okay, so let's start with the how you can fill the TCS joining survey mail. See, so first question you can expect from here is, I will join TCS on the date mentioned in the TCS joining letter. Yes, please don't reschedule your joining date. If you are rescheduling joining date, it means they are not going to give you a new joining dates very soon. Not joining TCS declining the offer. If you want, you can choose this option. No, I am requesting you to please don't click this option. Please don't click this option. Okay, so next, move to the next. Okay, next, please provide your complete shipping address during PIN code for TCS to ship IT infrastructure for enabling you work from home. Yes, so there is a good news. One more good news. So you can expect the TCS work from home also, starting of your days. Third question: do you have a laptop, desktop? Don't choose no. Please choose yes, because if you're choosing no, na, so whatever if any of the candidates who chosen yes, they are going to get a priority as compared to who chosen the no. Okay, so please choose yes. And if you don't have a laptop, just arrange from your friends also. Do you have a inbuilt and or external webcam? Yes. Do you have an external connection which enable you to work from? Yes. Do you have any certification? If you didn't have certification, just no certification. And if you have, just just select from there, because you didn't mention that what type of certification. If you completed your Udemy, whatever, you can choose over there also. So it will be giving you more clarity that yes, this candidates is knowing this technology, so that I can provide you the technology from based on their requirement, based on your skills. Okay, do you have experience working in any digital technology? If you don't have, then not experience. If you have, then just check over there. If you complete any project in your final year. Okay, next, have you taken into the vaccination? Yes, just click yes. After that, yeah, thank you for participating in the survey. Your response will help us to serve you better. We greatly appreciate your time and feedback. So this is the last, I think so. After that, there is no question. Yes. So this is how you can fill in the TCS joining survey mail, and after that you can expect the TCS joining date also. Okay, so there is a new joining date which is coming from TCS team for the batch of 2022-2023 batch is 8th June 2023. Okay, so let's suppose what a question are left. Okay, so what are the three joining criteria change, sir? So recently I'm getting lots of good news that no need to clear IP exam. This is the first good news. Second, so no need to you visit the teacher joining location on for at the time of onboarding. You can start from work from your home also. And third, Okay, and who didn't who missed the IP and CP exam, they can also expect the joining dates. And also you can, if you have any certification and if you've done any programming and if you have any knowledge, then you can expect the joining date earlier also after filling the joining survey mail, because you are receiving a joining date after filling this joining readiness survey mail. Okay, so keep this thing in your mind. Okay, so I think that's it for video. If you have any doubt you can ask in comment section. वीडियो को लाइक कर देना, देख लीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कर देना, वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड जरूर शेयर करना। मिलते हैं दूसरे वीडियो में। जय हिंद, जय भारत।